Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use the Relume Figma kit. First, go to the Relume Figma kit website using your browser. This platform provides a library of high-quality website components that you can use inside Figma to speed up your design process. It's great for designers, developers, and agencies building modern websites. Click on the Start for Free button at the top right corner of the page. You'll be asked to either enter your email address or sign in with your Google account. Sign in with your Google is faster, so go ahead and click Continue with Google. Choose your Google account from the list and click Continue. After logging in, you'll see different pricing plans. The free plan gives you limited access to components and tools. The starter plan costs $18 per month and unlocks more components. The Pro plan is $40 per month and offers full access including advanced tools. The Team plan is $36 per user each month and is designed for group collaboration. For now, select the free plan to explore the features. Next, Relume will ask you a few questions to personalize your experience. First, choose what best describes you, such as designer, developer, or business owner. Then, select how many people work at your company, such as solo, 2 to 10, or more. After that, choose the type of company you're part of, like a freelance business, agency, or startup. Now, pick the platform you're planning to use Relume with, like Webflow, Figma, or Framer. Then, tell them how you heard about Relume, whether through YouTube, Twitter, or a friend. You'll also be asked of what kind of YouTube content leads you to the site, such as tutorials, ads, or reviews. After answering all questions, click on Get Started. You'll be taken to your dashboard. To access the Figma kit, click on the Figma library section and click on Open in Figma. This will take you to the Figma website. Click Open in Figma again, then choose Continue with Google. Select your account and click Continue. Click on Continue the file and Figma will now ask for a few details. Enter your name, check the box to subscribe to Figma updates and click Continue. Choose how you plan to use Figma, whether for professional projects, work, or school. Next, click Continue again and if you selected school, choose your role such as student, teacher, or admin. Then pick your level of school like high school or university. Next, enter your email address and answer whether anyone else will be joining you. Then select if you've used Figma products before by choosing yes or no. Finally, pick a plan, starter, professional, or organization and click Finish. Now you have full access to the Relume Figma kit inside Figma and can begin using it to drag and drop components, create wireframes, and design websites with ease. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.